Look, let me ask you something. Do you ever check your bank account and think, wait, where did my money actually go? Because on paper, you're doing everything right. You're earning more than you used to. You're working harder. Maybe you even got a raise or switched jobs. But somehow, you still feel broke. Bills feel heavier. Saving feels impossible. And no matter how much more you earn, it never feels like enough. If that sounds uncomfortably familiar, yeah, you're not crazy. And no, it's not just inflation. Here's what's really happening. My name is Nick, and I spend way too much time thinking about why people earn more money but feel poorer every year. If you're someone who keeps increasing your income but somehow still struggles to save, invest, or feel financially secure, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're breaking down the real reason most people stay broke even when their salary goes up, and more importantly, how to fix it. Most people believe this: if I just earn more money, my financial problems will disappear. Sounds logical, right? But here's what most people don't realize. Income doesn't make you wealthy. Behavior does. And the data proves it. According to multiple consumer finance studies, including data from the Federal Reserve, over 60% of people earning above the national average still live paycheck to paycheck. That includes people earning what would be considered good money. So clearly, the problem isn't income alone. This is where it gets really interesting. The biggest enemy of your financial future isn't low pay. It's something called lifestyle creep. Lifestyle creep is when your spending quietly increases every time your income increases, without you consciously deciding to upgrade your life. No big splurges, no dramatic mistakes, just small upgrades everywhere, and they add up fast. Let's walk through a simple example. Say you earn $1,500 a month. Then you get a raise and start earning $2,000 a month. That's an extra $500. In theory, you should be saving or investing most of that. But here's what usually happens instead. You move to a slightly nicer place, plus $150. You start ordering food more often, plus $80. You upgrade your phone plan, plus $40. You subscribe to a few small services, plus $30. Transportation costs creep up, plus $60. Suddenly, that extra $500 is gone. Not because you're irresponsible, but because your lifestyle auto-expanded to fill your income. This is known as Parkinson's Law, and it applies perfectly to money. Here's the thing. Humans are wired to seek comfort and social validation. When you earn more, your brain tells you you deserve this, and honestly, you probably do. But the problem is that your brain doesn't distinguish between a reward that builds wealth and a reward that destroys it slowly. So you upgrade everything, except your financial foundation. Now, you might be thinking, okay, but inflation is real. Prices are higher. Of course money doesn't stretch like it used to. You're absolutely right. Inflation is real. But here's what most people don't realize. Inflation averages about 3 to 7% annually, depending on the economy. But lifestyle creep often increases spending by 20 to 40% after income jumps, meaning your habits hurt you more than inflation ever will. That's the uncomfortable truth. Here's why this cycle is so dangerous. Every time your income increases, your expenses rise. Your stress stays the same. Your savings stay low. Your financial anxiety doesn't improve. So you tell yourself, I just need one more raise. But the finish line keeps moving. This is how people earn for 30 to 40 years and still retire broke. Here's what wealthy people do differently, and this part matters. When their income increases, they lock in their old lifestyle. They don't upgrade everything at once. Instead, they follow a simple rule. My lifestyle grows slower than my income. This single mindset shift changes everything. Let's compare two people. Both earn $2,000 a month, then increase to $3,000 a month. Person A, lifestyle creep, spends the extra $1,000, saves $0, net worth after 5 years, basically unchanged. Person B, Lifestyle Lock, keeps expenses similar, saves and invests $700 a month. At just 8% annual return, Person B builds over $50,000 in 5 years. Same income, wildly different outcome. The hardest part of this isn't math, it's identity. Because once you start earning more, your self-image changes. You don't want to feel broke anymore, even temporarily. So instead of building wealth quietly, people spend money to signal success early, and that's backwards. Here's the reframe that actually works. Instead of saying, "I earn more so I can spend more," say, "I earn more so I can buy freedom faster." Freedom means emergency savings, no panic during crises, options, time control. Spending rarely gives you that. Before you upgrade anything, automate savings or investments the same day your income increases, not later, not next month, immediately. If the money never touches your spending account, lifestyle creep can't steal it. Use the 30-day rule. When you want to upgrade something, wait 30 days. If you still want it and your savings goals are met, go ahead. Most impulse upgrades disappear with time. The most dangerous spending isn't big purchases, it's subscriptions, delivery fees, convenience spending. These silently drain thousands per year. Track them monthly, cut ruthlessly. I've seen people double their income and still panic over a $200 emergency, not because they're bad with money, but because no one ever taught them that wealth isn't built by earning more, it's built by controlling growth. If your income increases again and you don't change your behavior, you'll be in the exact same position, just with nicer stuff and higher bills. That's not success. That's a trap. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to stop worrying about money entirely. And that starts with one decision. Don't let your lifestyle grow faster than your future. If this video helped you see your money differently, hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it, because most people never escape this cycle. And in the next video, I'll break down the exact system to build wealth on an average income without sacrificing your quality of life. You don't want to miss that.